The morning report for the 26th of August 2010. It was a pretty quiet night last night overseas. Dow Jones barely moved. S&P 500 was up 0.3% and the Nasdaq up 0.8%. The Dow Jones is still sitting above the 10,000 points, and certainly we'd like to see it stay there, but I think you may see a bit of a pullback coming through. There's still weak economic data coming out of the US, but what they're hoping is that the housing market has finally bottomed over there. We should start to see recovery in the near term. Now keep in mind, this is the housing market, so any recovery will take months, not weeks. Our market was down 1.4% yesterday, closing at 4,320. We should see a little bit of a rally today, or a bit of a flat day at least, but certainly I think there's some bit more downside in our market just yet. So keep hold of that cash, and certainly we look to pick up some good quality blue chip stocks in the coming weeks. The FTSE was down 1.1% to close at 5,099 points. Gold closed up slightly to close at $1,241 an ounce as people sort of rushed to the precious metal for safety. The oil price was up 1.2% to close at $72.50 a barrel, and the Aussie dollar sitting at 88.5 US cents. What's also interesting is the bond market last night. We saw a bit of a cash outflow there with bond yields rising and certainly lower prices being paid for bonds. This could be an indication that people are moving their money out of the bond market and starting to get back into the stock market where the better yields and better performance will be had. So we'll keep a close eye on this, but it could be a turning signal for the marketplace. But keep in mind that this isn't a short-term signal, it's a long-term signal, so any sustainable move in the bond market will take 4 to 6 months to translate through to our market. In other news, the Commonwealth Bank and ANZ are both looking to open branches in India, and the 7 Group holdings had a good result above expectations of 718 million. So again, the companies back here at home are doing quite well and moving on with business. For more information, go to our website at growyourwealth.com.au.